Welcome to the demonstration of the XL Fluid Group NoVault pump station enclosure. This above ground enclosure houses our piping and valves as well as the electrical controls in a structural aluminum enclosure that give you maximum service life, easy access in a compact footprint. Let's get into the control side of the XL NoVault. The gull wing doors open and give you shelter, LED lighting, insulated and lined, so it's protected from weather and cold weather. It's protected from the elements, and it's an easy access point to get in and do work on the pump station when required. This is our standard arc sentry control panel. Low voltage separated from high voltage, avoiding arc flash hazard. The operator can access the low voltage side while the station is energized, adjust settings, or get readings. We got float wiring coming in through intrinsically safe connection. This is a PV600 control, but there's multiple control schemes available for the NoVault pump station. When we want to access the high voltage side, we shut down our pumps, we de-energize the station. That releases the electromechanical interlock and gets us access to VFDs in this case. Could be soft starts, NEMA starters. Ventilated control, avoiding arc flash hazard, keeping the operator in the low voltage side when he needs to be operating the station or maintenance. Let's go around and look at our pump connection. So again, we're on top of the pump station right now. We'd be on a cable tray, and this access point for the plug wiring goes down the cable tray and into the wet well. We have our float connections and Meltric plugs where we simply release the plug, pull the wiring out of the cable tray, and take the pump with us for service or maintenance. Let's take a look at the piping side of the NoVault enclosure. We have our bypass stainless connection point for when that's required for the pump station, and then we can open our gull wing enclosure, again, giving us some shelter, LED lighting, and this one features our optional swing away hoist, which allows us to lift the pumps out of the wet well. We'd be standing on hatch or safety grates, and this electric hoist allows us to lift them out easily. Extendable boom, we can put them right in the back of our pickup, don't even need a service truck. Ductile iron piping shown here, air release, which drains to the wet well. We have our heater, which is thermostatic controlled and is able to communicate with your control scheme. If we had a flow meter, it would go in here, and this can be made out of ductile iron as you see, different diameters. It could be PVC or CPVC, HDPE, or even stainless steel. And we see stainless steel in some of our existing projects here on the floor, as well as the optional aesthetic wrap, which goes on the aluminum enclosure for improved appearance in an environment that's required. That's the package pump station from XL Fluid Group. We look forward to putting one of these on the next project together.